So as you can see, they sell ukuleles here. Let's take a quick walk about and take a look around.
How are you?
Good. All shades of colors and types and styles.
Oh, yes. These are kind of the middle of the road. These are the lower ends.
Mm-hmm.
And then our most expensive.
Yeah, I saw those, yeah.
Yeah, aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, they are very beautiful.
Yeah. They're cold wood.
But some of these are not bad too, you know.
No,
for a nice beginner, for a beginner piece, you got some nice carving in there.
Yeah. And these over on this wall are
just
they're kind of a step up from here.
right.
But there's some beautiful pieces over there that most of these are around the $200 mark.
Okay. And the really basic level is around how much?
They're anywhere from, most of them are around the $70 range. And I think there's one or two that are $60.
Got a turtle down there. Does he belong to anybody? No?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
And then we also do some laser engraving if we can see that.
Oh, okay. So on any ukulele, you can take some laser engraving?
Yeah, some of them I wouldn't suggest.
I agree. I agree,
but some of these that are more, especially these that are more of the beginner pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
And you can, is there any just names, or is it there are a bunch of different types of things you can?
There are different things you can put on there. Some lion forms and
More sweet sound.
so in fact it's connected to the computer, so I think she could probably do just about one.
An image of yourself, if you want. I got you.
I would not want that for me.
Who knows? You're so famous now, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to take a look at the other places, and thank you very much for your time.
Also, when they read it, it's parts. Also for the, you know, the, I don't know what it's called, but you see that they give their birthday. If you compare it to the bottom or the bottom, they have it, the touch points are the squares over like facing here. The reason is that they want to avoid more touch points so that the sound will be handcrafted. Everything in this wall, handcrafted. Yeah. It took them 20 days and they had to finish one.
I think we're going to finish off over here near the shirts.
Hi there.
You got some music and some books.
Sorry it took so long. Okay. Yeah. Here you want to run.
We got some really cool albums up here. Well, that all being said, there's a nice little gift shop and ukulele shop. Art. This is a good place to go. Very reasonable prices. Come visit. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the word, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.